Hey everybody, it's Elaine Zelker. Today I'm just going to quickly go over what my Women Empowerment Workshop is all about. It's going to be on June 24th at the Silk Mill in my studio. It's going to be a really small, intimate class. I think I'm only going to have about 8 to 10 women in attendance. You're going to spend the first part of the workshop going over your personal brand, the confusion of what is a brand? Is it your logo? Is it my colors? Is it how I put myself out there? Is it my website? We're going to dive in and cover things like accountability, branding, collaboration, being distinctively different, finding new followers and friends on Facebook, using Google to your advantage. What are hashtags? Should I use Instagram? We're going to cover every letter of the alphabet that covers something to help you build a better and a more empowered brand for yourself. The second part of the workshop, we're going to talk about your personal mission statement. Now, when I had a coach and I created my own personal mission statement about 5 years ago, it completely changed everything about my business. I finally understood what the core of my existence was, and it's to empower other women, especially to use their gifts and talents to rise and soar. When I became aware of my own personal mission, everything I do, my mission, my vision, my values, all encapsulates around my mission to empower other people by using their gifts and talents to rise and soar. So I want to show you how to come up with and create your own personal mission statement. Now it's hard. It's not going to be super easy to just write something down and you get it. But this workshop is going to show you how to get closer to your personal mission statement, and I'm going to help you attain that as well. Lunch will also be provided by Zekraft. You're going to have some salads, and we're going to end with some fabulous new, powerful, empowered headshots before you leave. I'm going to have a makeup artist come in. So during the second part, when we're still working on our mission statement, I'm going to have the makeup artist just tweak you a little bit. So I want you to come pretty much camera ready to go, like you're going out to dinner, hair and makeup kind of done, but not like you're going to the prom. She will enhance your skin tone and things like that with my lighting. And as we're taking turns doing the headshots, we're going to continue to collaborate and go over your mission and go over the A to Z of branding as well. So I hope that helped a little bit. I promise you it's going to be fun. It's going to be interactive. It's going to be like 50 hours of knowledge and encouragement and empowerment poured into you in the 4 hours that you're going to be spending time with me. So I hope you can make it. If you have any questions or any doubt about taking this course, DM me or personally email me, and I will go over any questions that you may have as well. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you there. Thanks. Bye.